forgot to plug my mouse in. Wait 1 minute. Okay, it's now plugged in. Now my mouse is really bad though. Okay, my mouse is not. My mouse is literally plugged in. Well, I was going to 1v1 that guy. PC players. I'm not really good at PC though. Bro, why is he scared? Okay, Arena. Bro, I'm literally. Please, Arena. Stupid. Okay, what should I pick? Oh, heck nah. How does a level 21 have a sniper? Whoa, 50 damage then. But why shield doesn't work? Oh! Haha. Let me just wait me. Oh, no! Back! Let's go, bro! Wait a minute, I got teal wrap and all weapons. Okay, let's walk it though. Okay. So what? Bro! The problem with PC is that it doesn't have auto shoot. Mobile and controller have this. 50 damage I need. Run. My RPG has only 8 ammo left. Take the freaking gun mouse. Okay, one more shot. No! I am only 25 HP. Fat. Please tell me I can. What? Oh, why is this? Oh my god, I don't know how I hit that, but that was insane. 1 key.